Here we have another exercise with the token buckets. And again we are keeping track of the time, the number of tokens waiting, the queue, and the total packets which have been processed. So to begin with, we have the time as T0, so after no time. We have 160 tokens, that's our beginning condition. We have no queue, and we have no packets being processed yet. So during the first 30 seconds, we have 450 packets arriving, but we also have 450 tokens arriving. So after 30 seconds, we still have 160 tokens waiting. We don't have the queue, and we have processed the first 450 packets. Then after another 40 seconds, so after 70 seconds in total, during these 40 seconds, we know that 1200 packets are arriving, but only 600 tokens. So we're using all the remaining tokens, and moreover, we have 440 packets waiting for us in the queue. And in total, we have processed 1,212 packets. So that is the 600 tokens arriving and the 160 tokens that were waiting for us. So we continue with packets arriving. So for 20 seconds more, and during these 20 seconds, we know that 1,000 packets are arriving, but only 300 tokens. So the situation after the total of 90 seconds is that we have still no tokens, but the queue has now grown with 700 packets. So we have a queue of 1,140 packets, and we have processed 300 packets corresponding to how many tokens were arriving. So in total we have 15 packets processed. So the question is now, how long time does it take, because we have no more packets arriving, so how long time does it take for the 1,140 packets in the queue to be dealt with? We know that we have 15 tokens arriving every second, so we can calculate that this takes 76 seconds. So for these 1,140, it takes 76 seconds. So we can say that after 166 seconds we have no tokens, and we have no queue, and in total we will have processed 2,650 packets. If we are now in doubt about this, so just to check that our result is actually correct, what we can do is that we can check how many packets were arriving in total. So we know that during the first 30 seconds we had 450 packets. During the next 40 seconds we had 1,200 packets arriving. During the last 20 seconds we had 1,000 packets arriving. So when we add these numbers, it is 2,650. Unfortunately, that fit nicely with the total number of packets here. So that confirms that our result was correct and that we have 160 seconds. Thank you very much for listening.